Oh, it's you again. What's going on? You probably want me to review something. Hold on. I'll go get something that you're going to want to see. Okay, I'm back. Check this out. The Gillette Fusion battery-powered razor. This is by far the best razor ever invented, by far. That's not even an opinion. That's fact. What? You don't believe me? Well, let me talk about the razor for an extended period of time that is unspecified. Now, first of all, it's got 4 razors on it. That's pretty awesome. It's also slick. It's got its own case, and more importantly, it's electric. What? Okay. So you're probably asking, well, is it a comfortable, smooth shave? Well, you know what? I kind of need a shave. So, how about we do a little demo? Oh, yeah. I lost my remote. Where the fudge did I put it? It was in my pocket. Hold on. Alright, I have here the Gillette Fusion battery-powered razor. And over here, I have a pocket knife. Now, for the demonstration, I shall shave the left side of my face with this pocket knife and the right side of my face with this razor. Let's see how this goes. First, let me lather up. Oh yeah. Lathering up, lathering up, lathering up, lathering up, doo-ba-doo-ba-doo, lathering up, in my head, yes, that seems sufficient. Now first, I'll shave this side of my face with the electric fusion powered razor. Fusion powered razor. There we go, yeah. That looks pretty good. Nice and smooth. Smooth as a baby's bottom. Oh yeah, that's right. Alright, now that we got the fusion part out of the way, let's do the other side and have a little comparison. Well, as you can see, the fusion powered razor is much closer, cleaner shave than that of a pocket knife. A very sharp pocket knife. Whoa. So go get yourself a fusion razor today.